Veteran Ugandan opposition politician Kizza Besigye has been charged with treason in a civilian court after his controversial case was transferred from a military tribunal. Treason is a capital offense in Uganda, and if found guilty, the 68-year-old could be sentenced to death. He was charged alongside two other suspects, but they did not enter a plea on the grounds that the charges against them could only be heard in a higher court. Kizza Besigye's health continues to raise concerns. Here is a report from Kampala, Uganda. He was slowly wheeled before the Nakawa Magistrate Court in the capital Kampala, alongside his aide and co-accused, Obeid Lutale. He appeared weak, his skin had darkened, and eyes sunken, even with a mask covering the rest of his face. Veteran Ugandan opposition politician Kizza Besigye has been charged with treason in civilian court after his controversial case was transferred from a military tribunal. Treason is a capital offense in Uganda, and if found guilty, the 68-year-old could be sentenced to death. He was charged alongside two other suspects, but they did not enter a plea on the grounds that the charges against them could only be heard in a higher court.
Unfortunately, we have not got a decision today. We are walking away from the court premises without a remedy today. So we expected a decision to be delivered today. It should be instant. So we are going to retreat and see the next course of action, how we shall get a remedy under the circumstances as we await for the court decision in this matter. But we leave these premises with a heavy heart, with disillusionment, and of course devastation. That is it.
Besigye, who has run for president against long-serving leader Yoweri Museveni 4 times, has been in detention since he was dramatically abducted in Kenya in November and taken back to Uganda to face a military trial. But a landmark ruling by the Supreme Court last month said that trying civilians in military courts was unconstitutional and ordering all such cases to be transferred. The move angered President Museveni, who called it a wrong decision.
What we are seeing now is a leader who's become the law himself. He's telling the courts that I don't agree with your ruling. I am going to create a new law that I want in order to punish my opposition. That's totalitarianism. So we've moved through phases of dictatorship to totalitarianism.
The opposition politician has now called off his hunger strike. According to the charge sheet presented before court, Besigye is accused of holding meetings in Switzerland, Greece and Kenya between 2023 and November last year in a plot to overturn the government. He was also accused of soliciting for military, financial and other logistical support to topple Museveni's government. Previous charges heard in the military court of illegal possession of ammunition and treachery were not included in the new charge sheet. The veteran opposition figure has previously accused the Ugandan authorities of political persecution. He has been less active in politics in recent years and did not contest in the 2021 election. Africa Bureau, WION, World is One. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.